Thank you, Nadezhda. And the second place won Riana Azzopardi from Malta. Drugo mesto je osvojila Riana Azzopardi iz Malte.
Vagabond ships are long as the swift, right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I wanna wake up in that city that's never through and find the king of the hill. These roads down below are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. And if I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere except New York, New York, New York. I wanna wake up in the city that's never sleep and find out ain't another one. Some focus is king of the hills and I'm the one. Dreams of time. It's up to you. No, no, Thank you.
And finally, the first place in XXS category.